Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to easily clear up space on your iCloud account. Now of course, if you're using the free plan, the 5 free gigs that you get from Apple, that will fill up pretty quick. So if you're running low on storage on your iCloud, follow these tips and tricks to easily free up space on your iCloud. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your iCloud, which of course you can find at the top of the settings app. You tap on your profile, go to iCloud, and right here you will see a section that says manage storage. So you go right there and it will show you everything that is taking up space on your iCloud account. First of all, you will have here a list of all the different apps that are taking up storage on your iPhone. Now what you want to do here is go ahead and check these apps. If there are apps like that you don't need anymore, you can go ahead and delete the data of that app. So of course they will take up space, upload their files into your iCloud account. Maybe that's an app that you no longer use and it's still taking up that space on your iCloud. Of course, some will use more and some will use less. So what you need to do is just go ahead and check out these apps and see what they're doing, how much space they're taking up on your iCloud account. Just tap on them and then you will have the option here to delete the data of those apps from your iCloud account. That way you will free up space. Now if you go here, you will also notice that you will have a section that says iCloud Drive. Now if you tap right here, you will find files that you have downloaded on one of your devices and have saved them on your iCloud account. So with the new download option that Apple has added on iOS 13, you will have the option to choose whether you want to save your downloads locally on your device or on your iCloud Drive. So if you're saving them on your iCloud Drive, then of course they will take up quite a lot of space. If you download like large files, that space will go away really quick. Now what you need to do here is go to the iCloud Drive and you will see here downloads. If you go here, you will see a list of all the downloads that you are saving on your device, on your iCloud basically. So what you have here is a button to delete all of them, or of course you can go ahead and check the files which will be shown right here. Now right here we'll see all the files and their size. What you can do here is of course just swipe on one of them to delete it. If you don't want to delete all the different files, you have files there that you need to be on your iCloud Drive, then you can go ahead and delete that. Also, it will show you folders right here. So here is a folder, it is empty, but you will show you a folder so you can go ahead and easily browse all the different folders that you have on your iCloud Drive and see what files they contain, and of course go ahead and then delete them to free up storage on your iCloud Drive. Now something that will also take a lot of space on the iCloud Drive are backups. So what you need to do is go ahead and again go to manage storage and check the backups that you have saved on your iCloud Drive. So for one device you might have saved more than one backups, and of course you don't need that, you need just the latest one. So go ahead and go to backups here, and if you have any backups then you can go ahead and delete them from here. So you will see here the device, and of course you will see all the backups that you have done on that device, and you can see right here the backup size, and of course you will have the option here to delete that backup. So if you have any like old backups that you don't need, they're taking up space on your iCloud Drive, you can go ahead and delete them from there. Now something that I recommend every one of you guys does is check out which apps are using your iCloud Drive. So if you just turn on all the apps, they will upload a ton of data on your iCloud Drive. That way it will go up really quick. The space on your iCloud Drive will be gone in a few days. So what you can do here is go ahead and go again to your iCloud Drive and you will see apps using iCloud. All of these apps are using your iCloud and will basically upload files which will take up space. What you need to do is go ahead and disable the apps that you don't need to use your iCloud Drive. So here's a list of all the apps. You just go ahead and basically turn them off from here so they won't upload files to your iCloud Drive. Very important. For example, Mail, it will upload attachments and all that stuff and will take up a lot of space really quickly. So go ahead, check your apps, and of course choose which ones should use your iCloud Drive. And last but the most important part are photos. You can see here on my iCloud Drive, the major space that has been taken up on the drive is by photos. Now the bad thing is that you cannot actually review or delete the photos that you have on your iCloud Drive. If you have photos or videos uploaded there, you will have to use your computer. So what you need to do is go to iCloud.com, sign in with your account, and you will see all of your photos. From there, you can save them to your computer, or you can choose whichever one of them you want to delete, and of course that way free up a ton of space on your iCloud drive. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how you can clear up space on your iCloud. If you have just the 5 free gigs, they will go up really quick. So make sure you go ahead, follow these tips and tricks to make sure you have more free space on your iCloud. That's it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.